In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Telegram groups. If you've ever accidentally removed a group or lost access to one that mattered to you, this walkthrough will help you understand what's possible, what isn't, and what you can realistically do to get that group back or reconnect with it. First, it's important to understand how Telegram handles deleted groups. When a group is deleted by its creator, it's usually removed permanently from Telegram's servers. That means there isn't a simple recycle bin or trash folder where you can just click restore. Because of this, recovery is limited and depends a lot on your role in the group and how it was removed. Let's start with the most hopeful scenario. If you were the owner or an admin and you only left the group but didn't fully delete it for everyone, you might still be able to rejoin it. Open Telegram, go to the search bar, and type the group's name as you remember it. If it was a public group, or if the link is still active, it may appear in your search results. Tap it and check if you see the option to join again. Next, check your chat list and archived chats. On mobile, scroll to the very top of your chat list and pull down to reveal archived chats. Sometimes a group that looks gone is simply archived or muted. If you find it there, you can open it and move it back to your main chat list. If you previously saved the group's invite link, that can also help. Look through your old messages, notes, or cloud storage for a link that starts with the Telegram domain, followed by join chat, or a group handle. If that link is still active and the group exists, tapping it should allow you to rejoin. Now, if the group was truly deleted by its creator, recovering the actual group with all of its history is generally not possible. In that case, your best option is to rebuild. Reach out to people who are members of the group, either through your Telegram contacts or other platforms, and create a new group with a similar name and purpose. When you create the new group, you can add those contacts directly and share a fresh invite link so others can join again. Finally, remember to protect your important groups going forward. Avoid deleting them when you only intend to leave, and consider assigning additional admins so the group can continue even if one person loses access.